Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. This is the Faith Rock Trail. I call it the Snake Trail. I'm on my nearly daily heart health climb, and I stopped here to show you something about the Trout Lilies. Now, I did a video maybe as much as 2 weeks ago. I have the close-up lens on. This is not my best camera, but there are two Trout Lily plants here, and both of them have seed pods. Excuse my fingers. Alright, you see them? They come up with one flower. Now let's look at this one. The seed pod is right here, already on the ground. I can't move that, that's a root. Here's the flower stalk, and there's the seed pod. Right, you see it? You see it? Now, there's another one. So, they flower, they pollinate, and they begin growing the type of seed pod that's typical of the lily family. Does everyone succeed? Here's one on the trail. See the seed pod? Pardon my camera work. This one, nothing. Not robust enough. There's the seed pod. Nothing. This is a smaller one. Do you see the seed pod? Do you see the seed pod? These are late. Flower got lost. These are too late. Okay? That one lost the flower. So, even, pardon my camera work, right at the trail, look at how big that seed pod is, and look at the size of the leaves. No wonder there's so many of them on this hill. Steve AB4L, just loving nature, saying, and you see other green things are coming along. It's spring, saying see you in 73.